Hey guys, and welcome back to Frenchie's Road Trips. You join us on Sunday the 22nd October. Can you believe it? The whole year is flying by, and in today's video it's all about the Disco 2. But just before I go on to that, a very warm welcome to all our new subscribers. We hope you're enjoying this channel. I've been trying to keep up to date with all of the comments that you guys are putting in on various different videos. There's quite a few of you which are commenting. So there's a lot on the Heldex one that we did on Ben's Freelander 2. There's a few of you commenting on that. There's comments on the comparison video of the three Land Rovers. I'm trying to look at those. So yeah, if you've got comments you want to add to the videos, put them on there. We will try and reply as best we can. Send us a question. If you haven't done already, there is a live section now on the channel which we are starting to do live broadcasts. The last one that we did was James, Ben and James changing the rear air suspension bag on his Range Rover P38. So there's that one to go and check out. If you go to the live section on the channel, you'll see those. And yeah, it's been really busy the last couple of weeks, really busy. Anyhow, as I said, so today's video, it is about the Disco 2. So Ben is replacing the exhaust system, or some of it anyway. So we're going to be leaving out the section, because on these second generation Disco 2s they actually had a catalytic converter. So we're leaving in that section, need to leave that in. So we're going from that piece of pipe and we're going back. We're getting rid of the centre box because that is what's causing the rattle. There's something gone wrong in the actual silencer, the silencer box, so that needs getting rid of. And we're going right all the way back, so we're replacing the back pipe and the middle section. So yeah, it's going to be an interesting day. Hopefully it won't take too long. There's going to be sparks flying. Ben's going to have a grinder, and goodness knows what else is going to be on. So it's going to be one of those crazy days. So yeah, we hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to take you outside, and yeah, we'll have a look underneath the Disco 2. We will see you right there. So you join us outside with the Disco 2 and Ben with the lethal equipment of this grinder. He's got his safety mask on over here, and this, he's put some gloves on. So what are you doing first?
I'm cutting the joint where the centre box goes to the back box.
If I can have a look. Okay.
I'm going to cut there and then there.
Ah, yes. Oh yeah, because they're completely fused on there, aren't they?
Yeah, there's no way of taking that off.
So that's the centre box there. Okay.
And then it goes onto the back box.
Goes onto the back box, which we've got a new section for.
Yeah.
Marvellous. Okie doke. Right, let's get grinding. Actually really quite big, that silencer, isn't it?
Yeah.
We'll see when it fully comes out. But so you're just going to snap it off now, I suppose?
Well, yeah, it's only a little
bit
holding it.
It should just snap off. Or will it? Bit of persuasion maybe. No. Not quite. What might do?
Yeah, it's coming.
It's coming, is it? Oh, you alright?
Yeah.
That's quite heavy, isn't it? It sounds heavy.
It is.
Let's have a look at this. Oh my goodness. That's relatively quite big, isn't it?
Yeah.
So this is what's been causing our little rattle underneath, which has been progressively getting worse, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay, so that is the mid silencer box, isn't it?
Yeah, which will be replaced by that.
By just a straight pipe. Oh yeah, perfect. Yes. Ah, yeah, there we go. Ah, so yeah, you got to raise your Disco 2 up. Raise it up on the air suspension, that'll help you take out the exhaust. Oh yeah, there we go. So that's where Ben started cutting, but he didn't need to cut there because it just broke anyway. Marvellous. Can we see what make that is? Has it got make on there? Oh, it is a Land Rover one. Oh, okay.
See, it's got Arvin on there.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if it'll have it. Yeah.
Ah, there's the symbol. Yeah.
Because the centre box got the same 2 stamps on.
Oh, brilliant. Very good.
This one's even got a date on it. So
Yeah, yeah.
1103.
Wow, so it's original.
Yeah.
Original exhaust. My goodness.
So it's nearly 20 years old.
20 years old, that exhaust. It's done pretty well. Brilliant. Right, in with the new stuff. You'll clean off the front bit.
Yeah, because get rid of the loose bits of rust, isn't it?
Let's see.
So it can seal better. We'll have a good chance of sealing.
Yeah.
Tough old things.
Yeah. Well, I suppose you don't want them to come off.
No, you don't. Oh, there we go. Right.
Exhaust paste. I suppose the gasket you put.
The gasket, well, this hasn't got a gasket as such.
Oh right, it just seals up on that, does
seals
it?
against this. So the inside of that's got a shape
Ah yeah.
to it. This is prouder, so it sits in.
Sits in there.
Sits onto it and gets bolted together.
Together.
And you have a bit of exhaust paste just to
Seal it nicely.
seal it nicely.
Oh, okay.
So I'll put a bit on here first.
Yeah. Does it come out like a toothpaste? Oh yeah, it does, doesn't it, I suppose? It's like a gum.
Yeah.
Messy.
Yeah.
We in?
Hang on.
I think we're in one side, aren't we?
Yeah, that was what doing that now, I think.
Right. That's nice and new.
There we go, that's that bit loosely in for now.
Oh, you do it loosely, do you?
Well, yeah, I'll fit it all in first and then
Okay.
we'll come back to it.
Yeah. Back section then. Right, so to the back section now. So we've learned from the middle section, which is to put the rubber mounts on first, isn't it? Oh yeah, I can see where it actually goes on there. Oh, it's got sprayed in WD-40.
Mind out then.
Yeah, we'll mind out next time. You can see where we've been lana guarding, can't you? Lana guarding and wax oiling. They're really stiff those, aren't they? I suppose you don't want them to come off, but oh yeah, that was good. There we go. Ben's going to try and get this in as best as he can now. Might need some persuasion. Oh yeah, that went in quite well, didn't it?
It hasn't gone in yet.
Oh, okay. Oh, tell you what, if I try and...
That's all right.
Oh, you've got it? Okay. Yeah, I got it.
Sure.
Yeah, I've got it. Oh, it's actually quite heavier than I thought.
That's what I said it was sure.
No, I've got it. It's resting. I'm resting it on my hand, which is resting on my knee. Oh, you're going to take that off first. Okay. Ooh. Oh, it's really tough, isn't it? Oh yeah, there you go. What's going on? There you go. Yeah, it's fully on now. Yeah. Hey! You can let go now? Okay. Very good. So one new rear back section of the exhaust. So now we're going to go back to the middle.
So we've got to put a new gasket in the middle.
Gasket in the middle.
And the new nuts to hold it in.
And that's pretty much there, isn't it? It's been quite a quick job actually.
Just tighten it all up.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's done now.
Start it up and see what it sounds like.
Yeah.
Marvellous. Oh. Hey, that went in really easily.
Yeah.
Surprising how much actually corrodes off then, isn't it? I looked at the old one, there's hardly anything on it.
No, it's quite a lot, isn't it?
Do you have to do them up to a specific torque or just tight?
No, just tight will do. There you go. Right, I'll sort the rubber at the front.
Okay.
And then we'll tighten it up.
Tighten them all up. Now Ben has tightened up all the nuts and bolts. We're ready to switch on, aren't we?
Yeah.
So let's have a listen, see if I'm not expecting it to sound much more different because it's still got essentially the catalytic converter is on the front and it's still got silence at the back, but we'll have a listen. I've got to stand a bit further back this time. Well, it does sound a bit more gruntier. Yeah. We can hear it does sound a bit lower tone.
It does, yeah.
Yeah, right, I'll stand a bit further back if you want to put the pedal down a bit. There we go, this is what we wanted to show you. So Ben has you've cut open the silencer. Oh wow! This is what you get in the middle section there, or any silencer I suppose.
Yeah, they're all going to be roughly the same.
Yeah.
Hang on, let's get a screwdriver.
I'll take it into the sunlight so we can see, because it's quite dark there in the shadows. Blimey. Let's have a look. Wow. So this is what you get inside your middle section of your Discovery 2. This is the silencer. So you can see there's numerous little holes, isn't there? So where does it come in? Which direction does it come in?
So it comes in this end.
Yeah.
So that's
from the engine.
That's where the catalytic converter was.
Yeah.
Engine's up here. And obviously it goes, this pipe's connected to this one.
Yeah.
But obviously it doesn't go out that way.
Yeah.
So the holes are in there for the gases to
yeah.
mingle in here.
Yeah.
Find their way into this pipe.
And then go out.
And then go out.
To the exhaust. The end piece, yeah,
to the
yeah.
back box and then
Oh my god. It's that's not what I expected at all.
There you go.
So something in there has obviously failed, which was causing our rattle in there somewhere.
Something.
Yeah, something in there was causing it. But yeah, really interesting to see inside the silencer of an exhaust. Really interesting. I didn't expect that at all. Brill. Right. Well, that's the Disco 2 finished, isn't it? That's the exhaust done. So yeah, we hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe, comment, and we will see you in another video very soon. Cheerio.